smart, but have you ever wondered just how intelligent they really are? What makes them the certified geniuses of the sea? Well, get ready, because we're about to uncover the incredible skills and complex behaviors that put dolphins in a class of their own. First, let's talk about the most obvious sign of their intelligence: their brains. A dolphin's brain is surprisingly large, even larger than a human's in some cases. But it's not just about size, it's about complexity. The dolphin brain has a highly developed neocortex, the part of the brain associated with problem-solving, self-awareness, and higher-order thinking. The number of folds in their brain, which increases surface area, is even more complex than our own. This intricate brain structure is the biological foundation for their remarkable cognitive abilities. One of the most mind-blowing examples of dolphin intelligence is their use of tools. Yes, you heard that right. In Shark Bay, Australia, bottlenose dolphins have been observed using sea sponges as tools. They carefully select a sponge, fit it over their snout, and use it as a protective glove to probe the sandy seafloor for fish. This behavior, known as sponging, isn't something they're born with. It's a learned skill passed down from mother to calf, primarily through the female line. This is a clear example of culture in an animal species, a trait once thought to be exclusively human. They are literally teaching their kids how to use tools to make their lives easier. Then there's their incredible communication. Dolphins don't just make cute clicks and whistles. They have one of the most sophisticated communication systems in the animal kingdom. Each dolphin has a unique signature whistle, which works much like a name. They use these signature whistles to call out to each other and identify themselves over long distances. It's like shouting, "Hey, it's me, Bob," across a crowded room. Researchers have even observed dolphins imitating the signature whistles of their friends and family, essentially calling them by name. Beyond names, their clicks, buzzes, and body language convey a huge range of information, from warnings about predators to instructions for cooperative hunting. And speaking of cooperative hunting, this is where their strategic thinking truly shines. Dolphins are brilliant team players. They've developed a variety of complex hunting techniques that require precise coordination and communication. One famous method is mudring feeding. A group of dolphins will swim in a circle using their tails to kick up a ring of mud that traps fish inside. The panicked fish then leap out of the muddy water right into the waiting mouths of the other dolphins. Each dolphin has a specific role in this process, and it only works if they all act in perfect sync. This isn't just instinct, it's a calculated, collaborative strategy. Another fascinating display of their intelligence is their ability to understand abstract concepts. In controlled environments, dolphins have shown they can grasp complex ideas like syntax and grammar. For example, researchers at the Dolphin Institute in Hawaii taught dolphins a symbolic language using hand gestures. The dolphins could understand the difference between "bring the surfboard to the person" and "bring the person to the surfboard." This shows they don't just recognize words, they understand how the order of words changes the meaning of a sentence, a fundamental aspect of language. Perhaps the most compelling evidence of their high intelligence is sati. The classic test for self-awareness is the mirror test. An animal is marked with a spot they can't see without a mirror. If they look in the mirror and then touch the spot on their own body, it suggests they recognize the reflection as themselves. Dolphins pass this test with flying colors. They will contort their bodies to get a better look at the mark, showing a clear understanding that the image in the mirror is their own reflection. This level of self-awareness is rare in the animal kingdom, shared only by great apes, elephants, and magpies. Dolphins also exhibit complex social structures and emotional depth. They form strong social bonds, sometimes for life. They grieve for their lost companions, show empathy, and engage in playful, creative behaviors just for fun. They've been observed playing with seaweed, teasing other animals, and even creating bubble rings, manipulating them into different shapes, like underwater smoke rings. This kind of creative play isn't about survival. It's a sign of a curious and inventive mind. They are also incredibly adaptable. Dolphins live in almost every marine environment, from coastal shallows to the deep open ocean, and from tropical to temperate waters. Their ability to develop unique survival strategies tailored to their specific environment, like the sponging in Shark Bay or the mudring feeding in Florida, demonstrates their incredible cognitive flexibility. They aren't just running on a pre-programmed script. They are actively solving the unique challenges of their local habitat. We've even seen evidence of dolphins understanding human communication and showing altruism. There are countless stories of dolphins protecting swimmers from sharks or guiding lost boats to safety. While it's hard to know their exact motivations, this behavior points to an ability to understand a situation, empathize with another being in distress, and take action to help. So, when we call dolphins the geniuses of the sea, it's not an exaggeration. From their large, complex brains and tool use to their personal names, advanced communication, and strategic hunting, dolphins consistently demonstrate a level of intelligence that challenges our understanding of the animal mind. They show us that the ocean is home to beings with rich social lives, emotional depth, and incredible problem-solving skills. They remind us that we share this planet with other highly intelligent creatures. The more we study them, the more we realize we've only just scratched the surface of what their incredible minds are capable of. It is a powerful reminder of how much we still have to learn about. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that touches many of our lives, but is often misunderstood: palliative care. You might have heard the term, but what does it really mean? Is it the same as hospice? Let us clear up the confusion and discover how this incredible field of medicine offers a holistic approach to comfort and healing. First, let's bust the biggest myth right away. Palliative care is not just for the end of life. That's a common misconception that often gets it confused with hospice care. While hospice is a wonderful type of palliative care specifically for the final months of life, palliative care itself can be provided at any age and at any stage of a serious illness, right from the moment of diagnosis. So, what is it then? Think of it as an extra layer of support. Palliative care is specialized medical care for people living with serious illnesses like cancer, heart failure, lung disease, or dementia. The main goal is to improve the quality of life for both the patient and their family. It focuses on providing relief from the symptoms, pain, and stress of a serious illness, whatever the diagnosis. The real magic of palliative care lies in its holistic, team-based approach. It's not just about treating the disease, it's about treating the whole person. A typical palliative care team includes doctors, nurses, social workers, and other specialists who work together with a patient's other doctors to provide comprehensive support. This isn't a replacement for your primary treatment. It's a partnership. You can receive palliative care while you're still undergoing treatments meant to cure your illness, like chemotherapy or radiation. Let's break down what this team does. Medically, they are experts in managing complex symptoms like pain, shortness of breath, fatigue, nausea, and loss of appetite. They work tirelessly to make you as comfortable as possible, so you have the strength to carry on with your daily life and tolerate your medical treatments. If you're feeling overwhelmed by side effects, the palliative team can be your greatest ally. But the support doesn't stop there. Living with a serious illness is an emotional and spiritual journey. Palliative care teams include social workers and chaplains who can help you and your family cope with the emotional, psychological, and spiritual distress that often comes with a diagnosis. They provide a safe space to talk about your fears, anxieties, and hopes. They can also help with practical matters, like navigating the healthcare system or planning for the future, which can be incredibly overwhelming. One of the most important aspects of palliative care is communication. The team helps you understand your treatment options and goals. They facilitate difficult but necessary conversations between you, your family, and your doctors. Their goal is to ensure that your care plan aligns with what matters most to your personal values, your wishes, and your goals for your life. It's about putting you back in the driver's seat of your healthcare journey, ensuring your voice is heard and respected every step of the way. So, who can benefit from palliative care? The answer is almost anyone with a serious, long-term illness. If you or a loved one are experiencing pain, stress, or other symptoms from an illness, it's worth asking your doctor about a palliative care consultation. It's been shown to significantly improve patient satisfaction, reduce symptoms, and even, in some cases, help people live longer. It's about adding life to your days, not just days to your life. Let's quickly recap. Palliative care is not hospice. It's for anyone with a serious illness, at any stage. It provides an extra layer of support alongside your primary treatment. It's delivered by a specialized team that treats the whole person, body, mind, and spirit. And its core mission is to improve your quality of life by managing symptoms and aligning your care with your personal goals. It's a compassionate, comprehensive approach to healthcare that focuses on comfort, dignity, and support. By understanding what palliative care truly is, we can empower ourselves and our loved ones to ask for the care we deserve. It's about living as well as possible for as long as possible. If this information has been helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with someone who might need to hear it. Spreading awareness can make a huge difference. And do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content that helps us navigate life's challenges with knowledge and compassion. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.